Hi there, welcome back. Well, today's video I got some good news and some bad news. Let's start with the bad news. The bad news is that I couldn't make a time lapse or film the painting of the 308 simply because the guys forgot about me. While I was still waiting. Still the green screen is there. Yes. But the good news is we are now going to look at the 308. And I'm not going to tell anything more. Jump in the car. Follow me. Let's go.
2 hours later.
Well guys, here we are. We got a fancy ride to come here today. That's always a good beginning of the day, right? Well, let's go inside here and let's have a look at the 308 while admiring the beautiful 599 in the background. Man, I love that car. So I'm so very curious. Ah. Oh. Let's have a look. I believe she's behind this door. I see a sneak peek. I'm gonna turn you around, guys. Wow. There she is. Wow. I am speechless. Oh man, after 2 years of grey, dirty, rusty pieces of metal. Oh my. Look at the paint. Wow guys, I'm speechless. Look at this. Wow. What do you think of this, guys? Isn't she lovely? What a piece of art. It's finally beginning, or it's finally coming to an end. Wait, we're gonna have let's have a close look at the car and the details. But she looks stunning, and the paint is just like a mirror. Oh, I'm in love. So let's start with the front of the car. Well, you can see that, well, the body is perfect, the lines are, and look at the paint, absolutely flawless. I can't wait to put the logo back in. We need to do some cleaning, of course, after it, but look at this. Can you see? Oh wow, this was dented. There used to be a little kid sitting on the car a few years ago at the auto show, and that caused a little dent, but that's gone. You can't see anything of the former blinkers. And look at this, guys. This is a little thing that I changed. It was red in my car. This still is my car, but it was red and now it's black because I like that more. The stripe is back and I hope you can see it, but here the window frame used to be glossy black. I don't like it, so they changed it to a little bit matte satin black. And well, have a look here. They follow the lines exactly, the body. I hope you can see it. Wow, wow, wow. It's just, oh man, look at this. What a beautiful line. She is absolutely perfect. The bumpers sprayed in the same color as the window line and the hood. And finally, a hood without damage. Ever since I had the car, there was a little crack up here that irritated me, but it always has been there. Couldn't change it, and now it's gone. And oh, not bad. But back to the 308, and let's have a look. Here's the hood, and again, look at the glance. Absolutely. And this line, guys, this was all bubbly because every time someone pushed the lid close, it damaged a little bit more when they used the wrong part. But look at the shine, come on. Oh, I can't wait to put the logo on. And very important, the sticker is still there. Yes! Here we got the doors. And the headlights. Ah, yes, yes, yes. Stunning. Wow. I know I'm not the type of person that keeps talking, you know what I mean? But I'm speechless, absolutely speechless. She looks so beautiful. And I'm so happy with all the time we've spent and all the patience we had. This is just amazing. Well, what's next? Well, I know what's next. Putting the car back together and then she can go on transport. So I think, let's give it a margin, 2-3 weeks, depending on the weather for the transport. But then she will be either at home or at Guus, but I reckon first home, because we're gonna build her back up. And well, I need at least this winter to enjoy her at home before the engine goes back in. Yeah. But I'm so very happy, so excited. This is the best thing a man can get. It truly is. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna party and see you again next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, spread the word. Well, whatever you do, enjoy life. Thank you. Bye.